The honourable member for Calgary Fish Creek.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, today I want to speak about health care. I spend most of my time talking to those health care workers in the trenches. They talk to me because the government won't listen and they don't trust them. I find it extremely ironic that this government, the Premier and her top ministers, specifically go on and on and on about having discussions and conversation with Albertans, and they won't talk to the health professionals who know a lot more about the #1 issue to Albertans, health. This government doesn't respect the hard work of doctors. The doctors have not had a contract for over a year now. The government keeps breaking off negotiations and playing hardball, like cutting funding for primary care networks, a documented success story that helps reduce admissions to hospitals. Does this make sense with the family doctor shortage? Doctors have been intimidated and bullied by this government for years. The health minister has the audacity in question period to call it a workplace issue. The Premier, when running, indicated she would call a full public judicial inquiry. Alas, another broken promise. What is the government doing now? Well, they found money to hire more vice presidents at Alberta Health Services. In the last year, the number has gone up from 72 to 89. Over 20%. They've also opened a hotline for doctors. I wonder if these new vice presidents will man that hotline. Mr. Speaker, it's time for the government to have a real conversation with real people in the trenches and not their closed-door meetings. It's time to end the intimidation. It's time to give the support that they need to the real people that matter, the healthcare professionals and Albertans.